Hi guys! We are from Nugraha KH Group 9. My name is Karina.
My name is Anthony.
My name is Julius.
My name is Fransisca. And my name is Sukhpooja.
We have an assignment from our handsome teacher, Nugraha. So now we want to explain you about the component of the CPU. Take it on!
Is a circuit board where the various electronic components or other computer components are connected to each other, such as processor, video card, sound card, hard disk, and so forth. The motherboard serves to connect each other components that can communicate with each other. Each motherboard has its specifications respectively. Specs like processor, support what and how much capacity is the maximum RAM supported by the motherboard.
For a computer, systems that work to provide power on the components of the computer. Power supply is divided based on the computer you have, such as 300 watts, 380 watts, 400 watts, 450 watts, 500 watts, 600 watts, and technology grows to track computers. For example, is this Pentium power supply with the model of ITX 250 watts.
About casing. Casing is something that serves as where we put or attach the motherboard, power supply, optical disk drive, hard disk, and other components to protect various components in it from dust, heat, water, or the other. Casing is also important because almost all sorts of peripheral motherboards, CD-ROM drive, hard drive, and floppy drive are in here.
This is optical disk drive. This drive is Samsung and the type is SC152. Optical disk drive are widely known as the CD or DVD-ROM. Is a device used to read and write CD or DVD. When included into the optical drive is the CD-ROM drive, CD-RV drive, DVD-ROM drive, and a DVD-RV drive.
Explain about RAM. This RAM, its brand is VGen and its capacity is 512 MB. RAM or random access memory is something that serves to accommodate data that has been processed by the processor before the stream gets parts are needed. So many development is done in this section, makes it easier in the selection of a suitable RAM for our work, especially now that almost all the brands implement the system lifetime warranty on RAM.4. Chipset control the communication between components. Processor, memory, cache, and chipsets work together to activate the computer.
I want to tell you about hard disk. This hard disk brand is DSP. Hard disk storage is a conventional mechanical work. The bigger the hard disk capacity, the stored well data can be stored. Capacity of the hard disk unit is a byte. Currently, hard disk capacity range from 250 GB, 500 GB, 1 tera, 2 tera to 3. The function of the hard disk is a data storage.
Card works as an audio processor to your PC, analog or digital signal into a digital input card and interpreted as an algorithm, which in turn is interpreted as a form of sonic wave and generating a signal in the output of the computer's sound card. The sound card is installed devices running on your computer system with the hardness of programmable and separate device drivers. Control of audio sound card on the computer, like this one. This made of Motorola.
I want to tell you about the processor. The type is Intel Pentium 4. The processor is a small chip, shaped tools that are useful for the process of thinking and the logic of typing a computer command. The higher the speed of the processor, the faster the computer to process a variety of data. Even then, must be supported by a large RAM and hard drive.
I want to explain about VDA. The type is GFX 5500 made in China. Video graphics adapter or graphics card is a computer hardware that serves as a data processor graphics before being shown to the monitor.
I want to explain about floppy disk. Its brand is Panasonic and it is made in the Philippines. Floppy disk is a data storage that can be taken anywhere. The shape is rectangular and in there is a black record made of plastic and can hold up to 1.4 megabytes of data and 3.1 inches in size.
I want to explain about USB controller. Universal Serial Bus, or we can call it USB, is an input or output port standard for computer and digital equipment, which also allow easy transfer of data via a direct connection or cable. The original USB standard version 1.1 was superseded by USB 2.2. Also known as high-speed USB. A high-speed USB host controller refers to the hardware inside the computer that provides high-speed USB functionality to the port.
This is a computer fan. The main function of a computer fan is to make the heat out and turn it into fresh air into the system. This fan is placed at the motherboard or hard disk drive.
Thank you for watching our video. Bye-bye.